Howdy, howdy, howdy. Happy to be here and happy you're here with me. And if you're new here and enjoy this content, I hope you'll subscribe. So today we're going to talk about everything I have crocheted this week. And let me tell you, I have been busy. busy. So my event was last Saturday, and of course I didn't do anything Saturday evening, but Saturday evening I actually did do a little bit of something. I went scrolling through Etsy looking for something new to add to my shop that would be easy to make and has, been sort of popular lately. And so this is what I came up with. Chill pills. They're so cute and easy to make, and I'm not even sure if I want to market them as chill pills because, these are just so cute even for kids. Like what? A Tic Tac maybe? I don't know. But I did 6 of them on Sunday. And at first it took me a little while to figure out exactly what I was going to do with it, how big I was going to make them, and I didn't actually buy anybody's pattern. I just kind of went with it, and I love how the eyes came out. Just a cute little basic embroidered eye, no safety eyes. So yeah, got 6 of those done, and I was pretty pleased with myself. And I just dropped one on the floor. Absolutely. Alright, and then later that evening I started working on some bears, and so Monday I finished up these bears, and these bears I really was booking it. Boy, my crochet hook was steaming. Alright, and I didn't actually do these. I just got them prepared. I had these ready. I just hadn't woven in the ends. So I just got those ready to go. And Tuesday, I got some small things done. I got 4 little strawberries done and 2 little blueberries. So I really didn't get a lot done on that day. I was busy, but I wasn't really booking it. And then I was like, loving the strawberries. I just love the way they came out. I messed with the pattern a little bit. And so I was like, I want to make a bigger one. So, Wednesday, I decided to do a large strawberry. And that was neat. I was like, okay, I'm sure I can do it. So I did a large strawberry. And then I put together some Glam Chicks. And this one has a guitar, and on her chest she says rock. I was kind of debating on rocker, but I didn't want to go too old school with it. But I love her little guitar. That's so cute. And then, of course, this one says sassy on it. So I got 2 of those done. And then yesterday, Thursday, I really was booking it. I got 2 sea turtles done. 2 large sea turtles. I really needed to, I didn't do it. I needed to carve out some time to do some smaller sea turtles, but it just didn't happen. So, unfortunately, I'm only going to have 2 small sea turtles for my market. I get distracted by other things. And also on yesterday, I did 2 large cactus. These tend to sell pretty well in my area, so that's what I got done. And then I had made some really large sloths a while back for a special order, and I decided to try to do that in a thinner yarn. And so I have 2 little sloths that I finished up this morning, and there you go. That is what I got done. In my fingers, that was a lot. It really was. I was busy every single day, almost constantly throughout the day. I think Tuesday was my only day that I didn't really get a lot of crochet done. I got a lot of stuff, like making a video and editing it and other behind the scenes things. Like I put together another yarn cubby and filled it up with my yarn haul from a couple of weeks ago. And so, I behind the scenes work. I'm trying to keep a log of what I have and how much I paid for it. I feel like I have enough yarn to last at least this year. I don't think to be honest, I don't think I'll need to buy yarn anymore. Maybe. Well, there's probably some Parfait Chunky that I need to pick up, but other than that, we'll see. I'm getting ahead of myself, but we will see. So next market is tomorrow and Sunday. It's a 2-day market, and fingers crossed everything goes very, very well. I already received my placement map, and there are going to be, I think, 64 vendors. So I mean, that's wild. I don't think I've ever seen that many vendors at any of my local markets, so that will be interesting. So I do know that I'm going to be up against another absolutely fabulous crocheter, which, I mean, that doesn't bother me. I just hope that they proportioned her out in the area well. I didn't take any time to look at the map to see where she was going to be. But I'm surprised she was going to be in this event. But that's okay. Her stuff is her stuff, and my stuff is my stuff. Her style is her style. And, you know, I am pretty sure we're not going to have very many of the same things. She likes to do a lot of food items. That much I do know. So, it's going to be very, very hot. I definitely am not going to be looking my best, that's for sure. I tend to get very, very red when it's very hot outside. And of course, you know, big girl, I get winded easy. So I'm going to be a very red person tomorrow. And hopefully, I have a little scarf that, you know, it's like it's supposed to help you keep you cool. You wet it down. We'll see how well that works out. But take in extra water, and hopefully we won't get heat sick, because it's going to be, I believe, again 96, 97, something like that. Whew, it's very hot. And we're not even in our summer months yet. Actually, it's only supposed to be that hot for the next 3 days. And then it's going back down into the 80s again. It just likes to mess with me on my market days. That's all. Alright, well, if you've hanged out this far, I appreciate you, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye-bye.